Jumping jacks are done by standing straight. Jumping to spread your legs and raise your arms above your head. Then jumping again to return to the start. And they are important because they warm up your whole body and help prevent injury before harder exercises. Wall push-ups are done by standing in front of a wall, placing your hands on it at shoulder height, bending your elbows to bring your chest closer and pushing back, which helps build upper body strength and is good for beginners. Forearm plank is done by lying on your stomach, lifting your body using your forearms and toes, while keeping your body straight and holding that position to make your core muscles strong and improve balance and posture. Body weight squats are done by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, bending your knees to lower your hips like sitting on a chair, then standing back, which strengthens your legs and helps with daily movements.